Today, I'm in Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico, and I'm going to tell you right up front, we are in for a real treat. The reason that I'm here is to check out something that has been suggested many times in the comments, but I have not seen in person until now. What we're looking at right here is two separate units connected by a breezeway, creating almost 1,000 square feet of interior space, and there are a few nice surprises throughout. Let's have a look around. If you've been following the channel for any length of time, you've likely already identified the signature look of Q, a prefab home that's manufactured in Spain, and this set has been transported to Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico. On one side, this is kind of the auxiliary unit. This is the main home, but they're both from the family of plans, meaning they are both 473 square feet, and combined they're making up a total of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 kitchen, and they're building with a steel frame. They've got this signature look with the aluminum siding and the boxed out window on the front, and they've got the option to upgrade to hurricane resistant windows, which is a great option for a place like Puerto Rico. Now, what is so special about this specific build? Number one, in my opinion, is the look. It looks cool from the street. It looks cool from where I'm standing. It looks cool from back there. And that is because you've got the two units side by side that look great on their own, but when you join them with the covered breezeway, it just takes things to a completely different level. The second thing is the functionality. So you've got the main home here, you've got the place to hang out that's covered in the middle, and then you've got the surprise section over there that just kind of raises the bar, if you will, on what you can do in this home. Let's check it out. As you can see, the homes are done, but there is still a bit of work to be done on the property. So use your imagination on what that might look like when it's done. Maybe you can give a few suggestions on landscaping if you feel like it. Comments are open. Now, here is one of my favorite features on the Q homes, and it is a signature look throughout their line. It's the boxed out window on the front. I like it for a couple different reasons. Number one is the way it looks. It's just such a unique look to have on the front of the home. And the second reason is I can imagine myself sitting in there enjoying the sunshine on a sunny day without actually stepping outside, because I run hot, and the second I go outside, it's time for me to hit the showers again. I do go outside, but I would just like to be able to enjoy the sunshine from the comfort of some AC. So going through the covered breezeway, you can see they've got a little beverage fridge at the back, already up and running. I like to see it. And we'll take a look around the back of the home to see what's going on. So these two windows right here are into the bedroom, that one as well. I'm gonna look up at the ceiling in the covered section because they have got the built-in LED lights right from the factory. They've got the big window on the front. Let's head inside and check out unit number one. So as you head inside, the first space you land in is the kitchen dining room section. They've got a 3-burner cooktop here. They've got some drawers. This comes out from inside, which is cool. So you only see the 2 drawers, but in reality, you do have 3, and they've got these built-ins coming directly from the factory as well, which is great. Another one down below here with some workout products. Imagine that. Little foreshadowing there. I'm gonna put that up because we've got the window in the backsplash, which I'm a big fan of. Lets in some natural light, and you can enjoy the view. You've got a view of the Caribbean Sea right over there. Up above, they've got the open shelving for bowls, glasses, plates, whatever you want to put there. And on this side is the vent heading out. In the middle, that is a dishwasher right there. All right, they've got another little shelf down below. Under the sink, a little bit of storage there. They've got the microwave here. Washer dryer combo below that. Up above is just some open shelves for your everyday type stuff. Then as we move over here, first look into the refrigerator. Cold water, I love it. Down below, freezer. And I haven't opened this yet, but it is just a full open cabinet for whatever you see fit. I'm gonna pan around, have another look at the boxed out window on the front because I really quite like it. Let's look up at the strip lighting through the Q homes because it runs front to back and looks awesome. Where I'm standing right here, I'm gonna go all the way up. I can feel the cold air coming out. They've got a ducting system all the way through the ceiling of this home, which I like because it's all hidden, but you get the benefits of the hot and cold air, which is obviously necessary no matter where you are. From the kitchen living room, we are going into the bathroom. They've got the walk-in shower there. Around the corner, they've got the wall-mounted toilet with the controls behind. Window out here, they've got the vanity there, porcelain countertop, backlit mirror up above, and a pocket door into the bedroom. So I don't know that I'm going to go through every drawer in this home because we've got lots to get to, and most people know what drawers look like, but they do have quite a bit of storage on that end wall right there. They've got, I'm going to go around this way, the TV mounted, and as I pan around, they've got this mirror here for the fit check. They've got a wardrobe coming from the factory as well. I have been through some of their models that have the open storage there, but this one is fully closed off and I think it looks great as well. Now, coming into this section, this is what makes the family the family. I've been in the Evoque as well, but hidden right here, I don't actually know how to work it or if it's set up, but okay. Yeah, this just folds down. You've got a set of bunks tucked into this space right here. One up above as well, making two. And you can close it off on both sides with the pocket door. So kind of a miniature bunk bedroom right here. So this is I did say this entire place is 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but rethinking that now, it's more of a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Let's go across to the space that I have been alluding to throughout the video. Not sure if you picked up on what I was throwing down, but as you come across, imagine you just had a big meal and you're thinking, oh, you know what, I kind of need to exercise a little bit. They've got a gym on this side. Obviously, this could be used for whatever purpose you wanted it to be used for, maybe a living room, maybe an office, whatever. But this specific client is probably in tremendous shape and wanted a place where he could work on his muscles. And so that's what he's got here. He's got a full gym in the other half of the home, which is awesome. Now, that's not it. Heading towards the back, they've got this thing right here, which is a place to store the extra weights. You got a bar there, stuff for the bench. And at the back, surprise, surprise, this is the second bedroom. So if you have guests or you just have a really hard workout and need to lay down, it's possible here in the second unit. This place is awesome. So this actually folds up as well. It's a Murphy bed, I just noticed that. So this bed can fold up if you need more space or you just want to have a desk in here or something other than a bed. It's very easily done with the Murphy bed. From here, we have got the second bathroom, and let's take a look inside. So a little different decor on this side. I just noticed they've got the black cabinets, black countertop, still got the backlit mirror. They've got the blinds coming down from the ceiling. Where are the controls? Show you how that goes. So that comes down from the ceiling like so. If you're using the bathroom and there are people in the driveway, probably an idea to utilize that. I'm gonna put it back up for light. Hang on. There it goes. All right, so toilet, boom. Over here, haven't opened this yet. It is just storage. He's got his scale in there, see if he's getting gains or not. And down below, another washer dryer combo. So this place is nearly self-contained depending on what you're cooking and what you're eating. They've got the black shower right here. I believe that's porcelain with the rainfall head up above. This is like, a nice space to just get away to. I know I missed something and I'm gonna go check it out over here. You could almost live on this side alone if that's what you wanted to do. It is a very cool setup. Here it is. So they've got another mini fridge right here in the second half, or second side, side 2 of this combination. Very cool. I like this space a lot. Very functional for someone who wants to lift and work out right at home. They really did it up nice. There you have it, folks, the custom beach house from Q, located in Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico. As far as pricing goes, each one of these individually starts at about $160,000 and can go up to $240,000. If you times that by 2, you're looking at anywhere from $320,000 up to almost $500,000 for the combo. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.